All right, let's dive in. Forget what you think you know about online marketing. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the so-called cheat codes that are quietly building million-dollar businesses online. And look, these aren't just a few tips and tricks. We're talking about entirely new playbooks for how to win in the digital world right now. You ever get that feeling, you're working your tail off, you're doing all the right things, but it just feels like you're missing that one secret, that one little piece of the puzzle that would unlock everything for you? It's a super common feeling for anyone trying to build something online. Well, what if I told you it's not a single magic key? The truth is, the people who are really crushing it aren't just using a new trick. They're playing a completely different game. They've got a whole new set of playbooks, and that's exactly what we're going to break down. Okay, first up, the absolute biggest game changer out there, artificial intelligence. The real shift here isn't just about using AI as a tool. No, it's about thinking of it as your most capable co-founder, a partner that can strategize, build, and execute right there with you. I mean, this slide says it all, right? The old way of building an app was a nightmare. We're talking months of coding, huge developer costs, you had to be a tech genius. Now, you literally just describe your idea in plain English, and an AI can build the whole thing for you. You can go from an idea in your head to a working app in minutes. It's just wild. And this is not just some theory. Look at the real-world impact. There's a 19-year-old out there pulling in $100,000 a month. 60 grand of that is pure profit, just by building and selling specialized AI agents for other businesses. This kind of opportunity just didn't exist a short time ago. So what's on this AI co-founder's to-do list? Well, it becomes your strategic genius. It can audit your business to find weaknesses, completely automate your SEO, and even brainstorm profitable product ideas you'd never think of. Basically, it does the heavy lifting so you can focus on the big picture. Okay, so you've got your AI partner ready to go. Now what? You need customers. And that brings us to our next playbook, finding powerful new ways to get traffic by looking in places your competition is completely ignoring. Man, this quote really hits home, doesn't it? If you've ever felt like you're just screaming into the void on Google or Instagram, fighting with thousands of other people for the exact same customers, this next strategy is for you. Check this out, the Reddit traffic playbook. It's brilliant because it's so simple. First, you create your own little community, a subreddit in your niche. Then, you get your AI co-founder to chop up your existing content into daily posts. You drop in links to your stuff, post every day, and just let the momentum build. And the result of that simple little strategy? 25,000 free, highly targeted visitors every single month. That is a fire hose of potential customers, and you didn't have to spend a single penny on ads. All right, let's start putting all the pieces together. We've got AI as our partner, we've got new traffic flowing in, so next up are the complete blueprints, the step-by-step models that are generating millions of dollars as we speak. Okay, so check this out. The $3 million Amazon blueprint. One person used this exact system to publish, get this, 1,500 books. They used AI to find niches and write, used free tools for the design, and had a super smart launch strategy to get reviews. It's literally a repeatable machine for making money. And here's another awesome model, and this one's perfect if you don't even have a product to sell yet. It's so simple. You create great content on Instagram, drive all that traffic to a newsletter sign-up, and just focus on building an audience. Once you have that loyal audience, figuring out how to make money from it is the easy part. It's a pure audience-first playbook. So we've gone through AI, we've talked about traffic, we've looked at entire business blueprints. But what's the one common thread that ties all of these crazy successful strategies together? It really boils down to a single powerful concept: leverage. So what is leverage, really? It's all about using systems like that Amazon blueprint, tools like your AI co-founder, and platforms like Reddit to get massive results from a small amount of your own effort. It's the core difference between working harder and working smarter, and it's the absolute key to explosive growth. At the end of the day, this all comes down to a mindset shift. You have to stop chasing those tiny 10% improvements. Instead, you have to start hunting for the opportunities that give you a 10 times return on your effort. That right there is the heart of every single playbook we've talked about. So now you've seen the cheat codes. You have the playbooks for AI, for traffic, and for building a modern online business. The only question left is, Where are you going to apply leverage first?